Welcome to Mastering IPTV Playlists with Ease and Precision, transforming your viewing experience forever. First, open your IPTV application and navigate to the playlist settings. This is your starting point. In your settings, find the option to add a new playlist. This will enable more channel options. Next, you'll want to enter your playlist URL. This is pivotal in linking your IPTV subscription. Validate your URL entry by clicking the Confirm button. This ensures the link is correct and active. Congratulations, you have added a new playlist, now giving your IPTV access to fresh content. Explore the newly available channels, from sports to global news, enriching your media experience. For unparalleled access, consider using 2tv.store. It offers exceptional coverage and playlist variety. Visit the link provided above to get started with 2tv.store today. It's your one-stop solution. With 2tv.store, enjoy seamless streaming, whether it's live sports or exclusive channels you crave. Remember to occasionally refresh your playlists to ensure they're up to date with the latest channels. Consistency is key. The more you explore, the richer your viewing journey becomes. With these steps, you're set to revolutionize how you interact with IPTV content globally. Immerse yourself in a new era of media with 2tv.store, the ultimate IPTV solution at your fingertips. Optimizing the way you consume IPTV content begins with understanding these straightforward steps. Thanks for tuning in. Stay subscribed for more tricks and tips on optimizing your IPTV experience now.